Hey, this is Mike with 5 Minute Guide and Indelible Ink, and I want to show you how to solve a problem that has come up on some of the Flyleaf publishing books when you're viewing them online, trying to get them as big as you can. So, Flyleaf has made a lot of their decodable resources available to students and teachers for free online through the pandemic. It's been an incredible resource, but this recurring problem has been happening where this click to view in full screen message comes up. You click it and nothing happens. So it's important to understand what's actually happening here is the document is zoomed in, and it's always trying to make the book as big as it can regardless of what your zoom level is. So it's essentially gotten confused. There's a third-party library involved in making these books to make them very quickly so we could get them up, and this is one small side effect. So I'm in Chrome. I can click on this magnifying glass. You see it says it's at 300%. If I hit reset, it goes away, and importantly, the controls return, so I can navigate the book a little better. I mean, you can drag it this way, but this isn't always as accessible or intuitive as some basic, left-right controls. Skip to the end of the book, skip to the beginning of the book, all of that. So if you're not in Chrome, you can look for other magnifying glass type looking things, Firefox, Edge. You can also, if you're on a computer, hold Control and scroll your mouse up or down. So I'm scrolling. Whoops, I'm getting multiple things happening here. But so I've scrolled in to zoom in. If I scroll down, hold Control and scroll up to zoom in. Hold Control and scroll down to zoom out. If you are on a tablet or a phone, you should be able to just pinch out to zoom out until that message goes away, and that should solve the problem. So if you've got any more questions, feel free to drop a message in the comments, or most likely you've been in touch with somebody from Flyleaf already. You can continue the conversation there. Thanks.